For a second, let's talk about competition. Did you know that in your Etsy store, your potential competitors can see your sold listings and the amount of the items that you sold in the past if you don't disable it? Well, in today's video, I will talk about how other people are snooping around in their competitors' shops. If they can, because many of my competitors tried to snoop around, and I know this for a fact because I know it, because they copy me all the time. But I have this option disabled in my Etsy shop, and I will show you in a second how to do it. I have this option disabled so that people cannot see on the Etsy platform how much and exactly what I sold. But there is a way around the Etsy system, and that is with the program called Etsy Rank. Yes, but there is a way that people can cheat the system, but they have to go outside of Etsy and they have to use a paid service. I can talk about this in a separate video because it's quite a large subject. If you're interested in this, please leave a comment down below, and if I get enough requests, I will consider making a separate video about it. But let's talk about the fact that people are copying other people's designs and they're changing only one or two small things and they can call it a whole new design. And if they find out that, let's say you have design A, and let's say they click on that link that where it says how many sales you have, and Etsy will show it to you. I will try to find an Etsy shop and let's check together if I can find someone like that. So here we are on Etsy, and let's try to find a shop so I can show you what I'm talking about. Let's try this one, and this one, and a few more. So let's check out the shop. Oh, we have a jackpot from the first time. And here you can see how many items they sold. I think from the beginning it will show you if it's not disabled. But it shows you that this particular design is very popular, so is this one, but this one sells really well. Now, if I would like to copy this shop, all I need to do is to create a very similar item, list it at a similar price. Now that I know that there is a demand for this kind of product. So to protect my idea or my design, let's go into the backend of an Etsy shop and I will show you how to disable this. So let's go to the backend of the shop. And here we go to options. So first of all, here we click on settings, then options, and here we will scroll down to the bottom, and here where it says sold listings, here we have to say no, hide them. And that's how you hide all of your sold items from other people who snoop around. So now your competition doesn't have any other options but to create their own designs and come up with their own ideas. Because people, yes, I also say that you shouldn't copy and you should just get the idea and create your own, it with your own twist, but the reality is that people copy. And it feels really bad when I find one of my bestseller designs and I see that the sales have dropped. And I go into the marketplace to check what else is going on, and I see 15 other copies of that same item at half price, that on that design that I created, and it was my original idea. So it sucks. But yes, this is the reality and we have to cope with it. Thank you very much for watching today's video. Please tell me in the comments down below if you disabled this option already, or if you didn't, then log in now and disable it right away. Thank you very much for watching. Please consider subscribing to my channel, hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and hit the notification bell so you will never miss another video in which I talk about digital products, making money online, and business finance. See you in the next one. Bye bye!